And even deadly. Health authorities are now investigating the death of a beauty queen who overdosed on diet pills. Camille Abadisho reports.
Zoe, not her real name, has been taking diet pills for a year now. She says the pills keep her body in shape. Zoe has also tried other products to help her lose weight, like drinking slimming tea and coffee. But she admits she doesn't really check if these products are approved by the Food and Drug Administration.
Sobrang lakas talaga. Isang take mo lang ng in a day, whole day ka ng parang wala kang gana. Yun lang, mababa yung energy mo.
Like Zoe, 19-year-old Marie Antoinette Maan Acedo from Zamboanga del Norte also used pills to lose weight. But unfortunately for Maan, her body succumbed to slimming pill overdose. Acedo took the pills to prepare for a beauty pageant in Dapitan City. But on July 14th, she was brought to the hospital after experiencing severe stomach pain and bleeding. She died 3 days later. Doctors say they have verified that Maan bought the pills online and consumed 4 pills a day the past week, or a total of 30 pills. The FDA has started investigating Acedo's death. The Department of Health says these slimming pills fall under products they label as SSFFC, or substandard, spurious, fake, falsely labeled, and counterfeit. DOH Undersecretary Kenneth Hartigan-Go says consumers should always check if the products they buy are FDA approved. Otherwise, they might get a hold of products that may be harmful.
From our experience, we have detected slimming pills to contain substances that are already banned elsewhere. This, to me, is very dangerous, and it is not recommended that people buy their health products online.
The Department of Health constantly reminds the public that there is no shortcut to slimming down and that the only way to have a fit and healthy body is through eating right, avoiding tobacco and alcohol, and having enough rest and exercise. Camille Abadisho, CNN, Philippines.
The mother of Maan Acedo admits she was unaware her daughter was taking slimming pills that cost her her life.
Alam mo, nakita namin yung bato. Very high ang HCA, ang hydronic citric acid yun, 82%, which is very high. So, dapat ang pinakataas pag yun, is 60% only. Pero, kahit 1 bottle lang a day ang inumin niya, hindi talaga pwede sa kanyang katawan kasi yes, naman siya. So, kaya affected talaga lahat ng organs niya.
The Securities and Exchange Commission intensifies its campaign against fraudulent businesses that